Welcome. In today's guide, I'm going to walk you through how to prevent messages from server members on Discord, right on your PC, with the latest update. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by random direct messages, or just want a little more peace of mind while using Discord, this quick tutorial will help you take back control of your inbox. It only takes a few steps, and I'll explain everything clearly. So let's get started. First, open up the Discord app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so that you can access your personal settings. Once the app is open, look to the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see a small gear icon next to your username. That's the shortcut to your user settings, and this is where you'll be able to adjust your privacy controls. Go ahead and click on it. Now inside the settings menu, scroll through the options list on the left-hand side until you find the section called Content and Social. This is where the latest update has moved many of Discord's community and privacy tools. Click on Content and Social to open up the full menu. From here, look for the option labeled Direct Messages under the section called Social Permissions. This is the key setting that will prevent anyone from sending you private messages simply because you share a server with them. By default, it might be turned on, but you can easily disable it. Just switch the toggle off. Once you turn that setting off, Discord may ask you to confirm that choice. This is to make sure you really want to block direct messages from server members. If you're certain, confirm your selection, and the change will be applied immediately. From now on, only the people you personally add as friends will be able to reach you in private messages, which gives you more control over your interactions. It's a simple change that can make a huge difference in keeping your Discord experience more private and focused on the servers and conversations you actually care about. And that's it. In just a few moments, you've learned how to stop receiving messages from server members on Discord with the new PC update.